The iPad Pro, one of Apple's most successful products in recent times thanks to its stunning 120Hz Liquid Retina display, ultra-powerful A12X chip, and Apple Pencil functionality is finally up for an upgrade. While the next iPad Pro most likely won't include 5G, it will be a good stepping stone to fit the 1 to 2 year gap until Apple releases that device. In terms of release date, many suggest it will be released this October alongside the new MacBook Pros. It's more than likely, however, that we'll see it next year at WWDC 2020. Economic Daily News believes that mass production will begin this September to prepare for that launch date. The reason for this delay in launch is due to the larger gap that customers are putting between each iPad purchase. Gone are the days of buying an iPad every year, as current hardware is much more powerful and waiting 18 to 24 months is much more reasonable. The launch price of the new iPad Pro will most likely be $800, keeping to the current pricing scheme, as the update will be rather minimal. It is also important to note that this $800 price will be for the 128GB option, since Apple is reportedly removing the 64GB iPad. In terms of design, while it sure would be exciting to see another refresh, a nearly identical look is expected. The bezels should be the exact same size, and if anything, they may make the device slightly more thin. Either way, the current design is perfectly fine and will do for the next few years. Certainly the most exciting aspect of the new iPad Pro is the specs. The iPad will launch with Apple's new A13X chip, offering much more power than the current one, a base storage option of 128GB, the same gorgeous 120Hz display, and excellent stereo speakers. One miss will be 5G. While many people are hoping for the new tech to make its way to the iPad Pro, expect a few more years for that. Another great addition will be, of course, iPad OS, and it will sure run nicely on the new A13X chip. All in all, don't expect too much from the upcoming iPad Pro. If you are in the market for one, there's no point in waiting, as the current generations are still very powerful and offer many of the same features as the upcoming device. With the iPad Pro being one of the hottest devices in tech at the moment, expect Apple to ride the wave of success they are currently on for the next few years. I hope you enjoyed this video and are also excited for the new upcoming iPad Pros. Be sure to subscribe to get all the updates on iPad rumors and much more news in the world of Apple.